This video is about HTTP versus HTTP client. So we have HTTP up to Angular version 5. After that, in the 6th version onwards, we have HTTP client. So why HTTP client came? What are all the differences over HTTP for HTTP client? These are the things we are going to cover in this video. Okay. HTTP client for HTTP. So HTTP client is modern and easy to use more than HTTP. So it's not a it is not a replacement for HTTP. It is a better improvement and enhanced replacement of HTTP. Okay, so it is mainly used for HTTP request and it will be imported through the Angular common HTTP. I have listed the differences. Please go through one by one. I almost listed some 11 differences. Mainly, its main action is for a request and response. But they added so many features on inside that one, immutable request type, event file like that, and the other differences like simplified headers and it is testable. Post request verification is allowed, and JSON conversion will be allowed. So it is JSON P also, so it will be very useful at this point. And JSON body types and JSON default. Explicit transactions is possible through this one, so it is synchronous. Okay, these are some of the key features. We already posted this, but it's somewhat detailed. We have put. Thanks team, thanks for the support.